Right, I'm just going to do a quick update video for the day, really. I was in a losing long trade in here this morning. Price pretty soon went against me and took me out for 10 pip loss here. Because we can see price was in a hurry to come back into this level again. It just broke the Asian low here. This was sort of early Sunday morning UK time. No, what time was this? Yeah, this was just after the open on Sunday evening UK time. That it was this level that I was looking at on Friday, because on Friday, this was 7 a.m. UK time, the red news that pushed price down, and this had been holding all day as a weak level of selling, because really it couldn't push any lower. This was the 3 o'clock red news, and we can see that 3 o'clock candle couldn't make a new low, a new Friday low, and from there, we had the lowest low, higher low, and then price started making bullish structure out of here. And I think I posted in my journal, I think it was over the weekend, that I could see, because there was inefficiency moving out of this level. Price never came back in, filled this in. And this was Friday's close here, that I could see price coming back either into this level or coming back down into this level before continuing up. And we just had a quick dive into this, like I said, Sunday last evening, early yesterday evening UK time. And of course, there was the London Open, Frankfurt Open, wanted to push down into this area to pick up whatever buying was here, and off price went. I mean, I was looking at, when price came through this level, I was anticipating price coming back in here to continue going short. But if anything, I'd wanted to see that happening sort of pretty soon, after this candle. Really, I would want to see a push back into this level, which never really happened. It only got back into here after price had visited this level. Because this is where I got in from work. I didn't actually take this trade. I put this in where I wanted to get into a trade after because price rejected out of here and started rejecting out of here again, that I was wanting to see price come back here, and I was all set up to take a trade. I can show that on the 1 minute. Because there was a level of balance here, and price took off out of this area, relatively, some inefficiency there. I wanted to see price, I was looking at entering at, because there's the 15 level, there's the 10. I was looking at entering at 12.5, halfway between there and there. Price just didn't come back into it. I mean, I saw this starting to build out of here off the 15 level, but I thought, you know, at this time, I wasn't overly confident that price would go from here. Like I said, if I'd seen that price action, you know, that bullish candle there, you see how price failed to make a new low in here, and then that bullish candle, and it even gave me the pullback. Gave us the pullback there. That I would have been going, you know, I would have if that price action had happened here, I would have gone long. I mean, it's only about 5 pips. But when you've got a 10 pip stop loss, that's 50%, you know, if it had come back in here, that's 50% of my stop gone. So I just wasn't, I wasn't prepared to take the trade, you know, especially as it's later in the day. And we can see, you know, price has come back. And we've made a new high of the day, you know, coming deeper into this level. I'll just show what that relates to. You see, this is, what days? See, it's just that point there where, you know, there's probably more in here that needs mitigation, and, you know, price might well start falling from this area. I don't really know. But because here, this morning, I wasn't around at this time. I'd left before 8 o'clock here. You see, what I wanted to see when I saw this move down, I wanted to see this put back up into this area. If price had gone from here and put back up in to test that, if I'd been around, I would have gone short from there. But I would want to see price, you know, see a price moved out inefficiently there. I would want to see that turn around and go straight back in and test it and then go short. But by the time price did get back into here, we were already seeing breaks of volume, breaks of structure here. You know, you see this is a see, this is a 15-minute bearish candle, and price broke through that. You know, we're breaking breaking structure on the, you know, on the long side, and we're up through the 27 big round number, and you can see here, look how many times price bounced, leaving bullish wicks here. You can see how price is rejecting off of the big round number, the 127. That if I'd been around, where is it? I mean, if I'd been around, I'd definitely be looking to go long out of this. Either here, if I didn't go long in here somewhere, you know, see how price just broke up, made a new high there, look, came back and started rejecting. And if I wasn't going long there, you see that area there makes a new high, and there's all this rejection coming off the round number, that if I wasn't long here, I'd definitely be long here, because you can see there's the see what price is done there. See how you've got the relative balance there, a volume base, price moves out, comes back, and off it goes. That's what I wanted to see right there. See the volume base, relative balance, price moves out. I wanted to see price come back, just like it did there, and go. But we can see now how, price is, what price is that? Yes, a sort of 30, 35 area. And now, price is rejecting off of this. In fact, it could even be a short trade. Looks like I've missed that. See, price is rejecting off this 15-minute supply here. It's nearly 6 o'clock. It's too late, really. Like I said, see, if price had come down here, that 12 and a half, 20, 12, 22, 32 and a half. See, if I'd gotten what I wanted, the entry that I wanted there to go long, it would have more or less given me my 20 pips. But now it won't surprise me to see price come back up into here and reject down, and it might well come back and fill this in and take off again. But the other thing that would have convinced me price, was going bullish today was here. We can see this base, look, how price took off out of here and price never came back. You see, then price took off again and it's never come back to test this bit here. You see, that's what would that's what would convince me that price was going long, because you see, after price was falling away like this, there'd be a lot of people jumping in short, especially around London Open. You see this, price is falling, so there'd be a lot of people jumping in short trades, and then price goes away, never comes back. Anybody's going short here, price never came back to let them out. Then more people getting short, price takes off, it never comes back here to let anybody out of a short trade. And that's what triggered all this going long. But like I said, I'd definitely be going, see that is see that they were selling here and then they started buying. See, price transitions through and it goes from selling to buying. And you see, that's what was happening. See, that was on a 1 minute, that's on a smaller scale. But there the price was selling. You know, it's not a lot of selling going on here. Price transitions through, comes back, and selling turns into buying. And now it won't. Yeah, you see how inefficient price is running out of here. It won't surprise me now. See, price is either going to get into here and start reacting, because you see this was an inefficient price move out of here, and this is the origin of that bullish move. So it won't surprise me to see price get back into here, possibly back into here, and take, you know, anybody that was long here, that, you know, institutions will more than likely want to take some stops out if it is going to go long. So yeah, this won't surprise me a bit, to see price back here and then start reacting out of this volume base. The only thing is, it's too late. It's too late for me to start looking at taking trades. I mean, this was getting late, really, even in here. But now, yeah, I don't know which. See, there's some inefficiency there as price moved down. The price might well. Yeah, yeah, price is either going to react off of here or here, if you know, if it's going to go higher. Because there's definite inefficiency there as price ran out of here. Price is going to at least get back here to test this, even if it's going to fall. Again, price might have got everything it needs from this point. Because it ran slightly lower than this. So anybody going long in here and putting their stops underneath could be getting their stops taken. Prices run up slightly higher. But anyway, I think I'll leave this this video here. You can always go back and check out the the price action from here yourselves, or when I do my next video, I'll come back and do a quick update and see what happens from here. Anyway, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.